Welcome back to the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, everyone. Last episode, we made our way to Zora's domain, and yeah, this episode we're gonna go inside, explore, probably even do some of the divine beasts if we can. So I'm excited. Whoa, it looks cool and pretty in here. That is definitely Mipha, I can tell. Whoa! I've been waiting for you, Link. Welcome, behold upon my people, Zora's domain. Now I shall introduce you to the king. Hurry this way. Okay, I will do. So let's just go. We got a new objective. King Dorphin into the throne room. Who are these people? Huh? What is it? Master Link, is it truly you, the Hylian champion? It's me. Ravan, I don't know. We used to swim together when I was but a child, remember? Don't remember. Well, it has been 100 years since then, and now I'm over 130 years old. I must say, you aged well for Hylian, unbelievable well. Now that I think about it, shouldn't you be dead? So that may be too personal a question. And, Father, we are on guard duty right now. Alright, sorry. The leader of the pack, Boss, the Huron, Gasserson, and my father, Torella, such weird names. They have all aged quite a bit, but I'm afraid. But they are doing well. Oh, but Master Link, you probably shouldn't speak to the elderly. Oops, sorry to keeping you so long. You have business in the throne room, and please proceed there at your earliest convenience. Who are you? It looks dumber. It looks like Father was rather excited to speak with you. Oh wow. A Hylian, eh? I believe this is our first meeting yes. My name is Doma. You're female, right? How observant you are. Is there a problem? How old are you? This is not an appropriate question to ask a lady you just met. Sigh, let's just say I'm less than 100 years old. Can't you tell? I'm so much less formal than the elders, aren't I? At any rate, right now Zora's domain is looking for a Hylian warrior. For more detailed information, please go speak with King Dorphin in the back. I mean, that's not really nice to ask a lady its age. Oh ho, Hylian! Okay, yeah, blah 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 blah. Hello, Lido. Yeah, go to King Dorphin. Yeah, got it. Don't want to read too much. These people are just playing, so don't need to worry about that too much. And this guy, this girl is just talking about me, looking at Mipha's statue, I believe. But there's a store here. Who are you? Good day. Mullet. Coral Reef. Yeah. Oh, she's just saying. Oh, the general store, the workshop. Okay, I think I already know about it. But thanks for telling me the information about what this place looks like. Ooh, dang, you got some ice arrows? Ooh, that's nice. Can I even take pictures of these? I can. That's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, I can there's some things that I can't take pictures of, but I can take pictures of this. Take pictures of this. Good. I love how when you take pictures, it doesn't overlap. Even if it says that it overlaps the screen, which is kind of nice. I can't take a picture of the device. Okay, good to know. Just destroy this pot. Ice arrows. Maybe I'll buy a couple. Maybe I'll buy 2 of them. Yeah, sure. Spend about 1/3 of my money just doing that. Maybe not, or maybe I didn't calculate that quickly. Okay. And this guy's just like a worker. The coral leaf. Okay, you got some arrows for travelers and some swift violets. I want to sell. Oh, nothing too interesting. Who are you? You look like a rock guy. Hey, you're Highland, are you? It's rare to see your kind here. I was roving nearby. My child from Prince Sidon recruited me and brought me here. I can touch sock arrows. Someday I'll be able to carry you on my back. That's what Prince Sidon said to me. That was kind of rude of him, wasn't it? It sure indeed was. What is this? Looks like you're repairing something. Howling, who stole Lady Mipha away, thinks he could just come wandering in here like nothing happened. What is this place? The weapons workshop. What are you doing? Trident maintenance? A trident? The light scale trident and the ceremonial trident. Yeah, I got it. The light scale trident. That's interesting. Let's buy some of this rice as well. I guess I'll buy one of each of these. These ones are cheap. Oh, there's a shrine here. What is this? Oh, some place to make meals. We'll do that later after we completed that shrine. And I guess this is the place where you can sleep. That's kind of cool. But anyways, we'll go into that shrine. I should probably do some upgrades right now. Since I have like so many of those spirit orbs. Need Yoma Shrine. Silver longsword. I don't know. I already have one. It's good that they all keep those like Zora and Mipha weapons at their domain, protecting it. But anyways, let's head on to the shrine. Just skip this so we don't waste any time. Yeah, we already have 6 spirit orbs. It would be cool if we already had 7, but I guess not. Because if we had 7, after we completed this shrine, we will have 8, so I can get like 2 upgrades. But, won't be big of a deal. When we complete this shrine, we'll have 7 spirit orbs. We can get at least 1 upgrade, and after we do another shrine, whatever place, we can get another upgrade, which is kind of cool and quick. And yeah, so this shrine is called Pushing Power. What is this? Can I stop these? Please stop these. I don't like these. Oh, this blocks it. Cool. Trying to make this jump. Oh my god. I think these things can hit me, so gosh. I gotta be careful. Gosh. Yes, I made it. What's in this chest? Better be something good. Zora Spear? Okay. That doesn't seem that great compared to my other Zora weapon. Maybe I would take it instead of this Guardian Sword, because who knows like if this Guardian Sword has the amazing durability or not. So yes, I'm probably gonna take it. And yeah. Can I even get up here? Oh, I can't. No! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Didn't even notice that. My bad. That was like so stupid of me. And the spear is gone. Great! I didn't even want that spear anyways. Oh, and even like my picture recap is gone. What a baloney disgrace. Just starting the episode with such a bad start. Dropping the spear to the doom, falling into our doom. What is going on with me today? Okay. Looks like this one's not doing anything. go this way, thank you. Now I need to use this ice. No! Oh my god. This is hard. Thought I could nail it first try, but I guess not. First of all, when I first did this, it was going the wrong direction. I need to like position this to like the right direction. Fine. Instead of 2 hits, we'll only do 1 hit. Gosh, no, no. Don't you dare. I'm gonna catch up to you. Good, it's staying here, so that's good. Okay, so now where is it going? Did it drop or no? I think it dropped. No! Why? I wish they can have no gaps. That would be so much easier. First of all, Link, I need you to turn the right way for me. Don't turn this way. Turn this way. There we go. There we go. That should do it. Okay. That was okay. Not the way I was expecting. Not the... And don't hit me, please. Darn it. Just jump over that laser. And where is it going? Okay, get that out of there. Oh, are you kidding me? I meant to remove it. Oh my gosh. Oh, you for real? This is a tough shrine. My goodness. Stop falling off, Link. I'm serious. Fall. This is like raging. Okay, so now... Why is this platform so small? It doesn't make any sense to put that there. It doesn't make any sense. So there. Where is it going? Now please don't do anything nasty. I'm gonna get stasis out. Stop. And just go there. Just go in there. Don't make any more mistakes. Gosh, that was tough. But we did it. Okay. That was tough, but it wasn't so bad compared to the confusing maze in Luigi's Mansion 3, which I was like being really stupid about, which I just didn't even test out one room, which had like the exact mystery that I was clearly needing. That was so stupid of me. But there we go. Enough of that. We already got 7 spirit orbs in total, so that's nice. And yeah, so nextly, we're gonna head into the throne room. Before that, we're gonna do some cooking. Let's cook some stuff. Let's cook some of this. Let's cook 3 of them. And let's cook meat with mushrooms, sure. Nice. Which is really nice. I I'm gonna get some tough omelet. Nice. And maybe we'll do some this, a combination. It will increase my maximum hearts, which is nice. We're gonna like repeat it and do it with some meat as well. And use a big hearty radish instead. Nice. And we'll cook one more. Let's put these together and see if 2 apples, there we go. Cook all of these together. Nice. And what happens if we cook these 2 together? I'm just curious. Nice. Okay, that's enough, I guess. Actually, one more thing. I think increasing our attack would be good. Let's just use all these bananas and let's use some milk as well. Just use all the ingredients I have to like, I can always get more ingredients and wow, that was like a big boost. That is something I would definitely save for a 9-minute attack boost. That's nice. Shock arrow. Let me take it. Hey! Who did it? Who stole my shock arrows? It was only 1, dude. Yeah, 100 years. Lady Mipha, Champion Link. Unable to protect Lady Mipha from Cloudy Ganon. I won't fail her. Sorry that I stole your shock arrow. I take responsibility of appeasing Divine Beast by Ruta. Okay, don't need to talk to that guy. Let's just head right on into the throne room. Gosh, we completed Reach Zora's domain quest. Ah, you must be the Holly in that side on block here, correct? You did well to come all the way here. I am King Dorphin, ruler of the Zora. Huh? That's a Sheikah slate. Is it not a Sheikah slate? You're the Holly champion. Do not tell me that you forgot me. The Holly champion? You can't mean the Link, that champion. So that's where I have heard your name before. What a fateful coincidence that we should cross paths. I cannot believe it. The Hylian champion, Link has appeared before us. We have met numerous times. I have Yeah, got it. It had been a terrible rumor that you've fallen in combat, but it appears you have managed to survive. Extraordinary. I've been sleeping. Come again. Oh gosh, that's scary. Sleeping, you say? Ooh, is that why you do not seem to remember me? I guess it's because he's a ruler, that's why. Precious daughter, Mipha, yes, you do you not? Doesn't ring a bell. I cannot believe it. How have you truly forgotten my dear Mipha as well? You and Mipha were so close, yet you do not remember her. Young hero, please look upon the beauty of Zora's domain. Do you see that statue? Yeah, I was just talking about that at the beginning of the episode. Perhaps my memory will return. Dearly hope so. Father, I do not believe discussing my sister is helping matters at this moment. Link seems confused. Oh, yes, of course. But first, it is worth noticing how remarkable it is that Sidon brought a champion here without realizing it. That is quite a feat, my boy. Wahaha, this is a good one. Link, I doubt that you not have endured a great many trials. Still, I must ask you to hear my plea. Here, I must inform you, Zora's domain, Divine Beast Ruta. We cannot stop this beast. Please help us lend your strength. What? That guy looks weird. Musa, I expect more of you. How can you still protest? Musa, it is rude to speak that way to your king and his guests. Link is here because I invited him. Yeah, you should know that. Saving Zora's domain, I have no doubt in my mind. Yeah, we won't read everything. I'm just reading the important stuff. Indeed, Link is a champion through and through. As things now stand, Zora's domain, perhaps of Hyrule, is doomed to be swallowed by the sea. Zora and Hylians alike must put aside differences and band together. Forgotten already, my king? We cannot trust Hylians. Ancient civilization and Hyrule into what is it today, and that's not the least of it. It is their fault that Lady Mipha was lost to us. Huh? Link? Divine Beast Ruta has great power. It is the unique ability to create an endless supply of water. Or, of late, it has been ruthless, spouting water into the air. As a result, this area has been plagued by heavy rains. Zora, water and air as one, so it won't be critical as a problem. Sadly, the rains have filled the Easter Reservoir nearly to the point of flooding. If the reservoir bursts, I fear immense damage will befall not only Zora's domain. Hylian lives in very grave danger. Oh, that's the Divine Beast. The Divine Beast is crying out once again. The Divine Beast. That was scary and interesting. Divine Beast Ruta. Princess Zelda studied the Divine Beast in time to battle the Great Calamity. Ruta's shoulders are mechanisms that can control the water generated. They require electricity to work. These orbs are clearly out of control now because there's no electricity causing Ruta to stop them. Hit one with a shock arrow in those holes. Zora are terribly vulnerable to the power of electricity. So I guess you guys don't sell shock arrows. Enough electricity at once, the water soon returned to its full force. That is why I went in search of Hylian who can help us. Link, I'm certain you have already figured this out, but we need you to use shock arrows to get those orbs working properly again. I can, definitely. What? Princess Zelda herself instructed you to board the Divine Beast and appease the front when it. So then Princess Zelda still alive? Yes, in Hyrule Castle. I do not believe it. She was alive the whole time, just as you were. The events of 100 years ago cannot be altered, it is true. But if we can regain control of the Divine Beast, they may yet prove useful in stealing Calamity Ganon once and for all. I did not know you had such great ambitions, Link. Wondrous, naturally it shall help you. Once it has stopped rampaging, you can easily climb inside. Come, Link, let's us appease Ruta together. I'm in, let's do this. Thank you, Link, truly, we're in depth. Our goal is the same. That means our meeting was nothing short of density. Now then, allow me to offer you this gift as a show of faith. Ooh, nice. Zora Armor, swim speed up. So we can climb waterfalls. And we can also swim fast. Ascend waterfalls. Please take good care of it. Again, Lusa, seriously, you don't intend to get this outside the Zora Armor. Countless generations of Zora Princess have gifted this armor to the one they have sworn to marry. Princess Mipha made that one there with her own hands. It is far too important to entrust to a shady Hylian. He may be a champion, so why he should receive such an honor? This is too much. I do not understand it one bit. That Musa is easily swayed once his mind is set. You must understand, he was in charge of educating my dear daughter Mipha. Naturally, she means a lot to him, just as she means the world to us. Ever since we lost her to the Calamity, he has grown to despise Hylians. I hope you can forgive his rudeness. But what shall we do now? Task Musa while refining shock arrows, appease Ruta, but he has rushed off in a huff. Link, do not let his words concern you. I will work this out with Musa. I shall return shortly. We'll see you. Sidon, I suppose that means you're going to tell him. Link, Musa is most likely at the square down below. Would you mind going down there? I would like you to try to speak with him. Divine Beast Ruta. Okay, nice. Shock arrows and find him. I want to take a picture of this guy. That doesn't look bad. Maybe even bigger. Yeah, that looks perfect. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one. How do I delete it? No. How do I? I'm still getting used to the controls of this game. Well, I'm going to the station square, I guess. I guess it's over here. You came all the way here, but it was in vain. I had no desire to speak with you. Listen well, Musa, there's something you need to know. He who stands here, the man called Link, is the one whom my sister Mipha had feelings for. I was only a child then, so I did not know it myself at the time. Wow, lots of talking going in today's episode. I grew up hearing my father tell stories, some of which was about my sister undying love for a highly named Link. What? No! You cannot fool me with such a fanciful lie, not this Zora. How could Lady Mipha possibly have feelings for a highly like him? The facts are clear. He remembers nothing, even when he looks upon Princess Mipha's statue. It is the truth, Musa. Though you never knew, he was ever in Mipha's heart. So I guess we're having a memory? I don't know. Watching the memory with Link and Mipha.
I was thinking, this reminds me of the time we first met. You were just a reckless child, always getting yourself hurt at every turn. Every time I would heal you, just as I'm doing right now. I thought it was funny how
Oh, Mipha has healing abilities? That's nice.
you've grown up so much faster than I did. I was always willing to heal your wounds, even back then. So if this calamity Ganon does in fact return, what can we really do? We just don't seem to know much about what we'll be up against. But know this, that no matter how difficult this battle might get, if anyone ever tries to do you harm, then I will heal you. No matter when or how bad the wound, I hope you know that I will always protect you. Once this whole thing is over, maybe things can go back to how they used to be when we were young. You know, perhaps we could spend some time together.
Well, that was an interesting cutscene about Mipha and Link. Of how we went together. What is the matter, Link? Are you unwell? You're quivering like a hat sheet. Whatever is the matter, Mipha, I remember. What? Do not mistake me for full Highland. There's no way you remembered her just now when it is most convenient. In any case, without any solid proof, I cannot possibly take you at your word. If you have any such proof, now's the time to show it. Do so, and I shall tell you how to get the shock arrows. Yes, as well as anything else you wish to know. You have the Zora Armor, okay. That's the store of stubborn food. Lucky for us, we have proof. Then go ahead and show Musa the Zora Armor my father gave you. Okay. Got it. Musa, look closely at the clothes Link is wearing. Closely. You don't really think changing your clothes is going to make me what in the that is the Zora Armor from before. Lady Mipha made that by hand, and yet it fits you perfectly. What is the meaning of this? Now you understand, do you not? Now you know who her heart belonged to and who she made the special armor for. Yeah, the fact that this armor fits Link perfectly should be proof enough that Mipha made it for him and him alone. You have always disliked Highlands even before the Great Calamity. That's why Mipha never told you. Now that you know, you must promise to help him save us all. Musa, please tell us where to find shock arrows. Yeah, got it. Shock arrow, special armor. Staring at a statue of Mipha. Statue. I do not approve of asking for help from the Highland, but suppose it is our only option at this point. I'm a proud Zora. Take responsibility for my unwarranted behavior towards you. As promised, collect shock arrows. Promise Mountain, Scatterback Point, terrifying creature, shock arrows on that area. You must mean that Lynel. He's a man beast, that one. That beast does indeed wield shock arrows. That is certainly one way to collect them quickly. He is vicious, to be sure, but I'm certain Link will rise to the challenge. 20 shock arrows to appease the divine beast. Do you think you can gather that many? Why do you still doubt him, Musa? I have no doubt that he would be trumpetent. Let's get moving, Link. Yeah, climb the waterfall. Yes, I'm in. Yeah, we're gonna stop Divine Beast for Ruta together. So side on left. Collect 20 shock arrows, okay. Maybe we'll talk to everyone in Zora's domain later, but for right now, we gotta do some of this quest, at least in today's episode of Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. So I think it's over this way. We're gonna head to that marker. What? Wrong button, dude. Let's just glide over here. That's nice. Who are you? Another Zora, carrying a Zora spear. Yes, sir. East gate is all clear, sir. Master Link. My name is Gaddison, 100 years ago. The Holly and the Prince Silent brought here. Don't tell me it was you, Master Link. You don't seem to have changed much in the last 100 years, but I shouldn't be making idle chit-chat just now. So I'm supposed to be fulfilling my officially appointed duty by keeping watch at the East Gate. Yeah. East Reservoir Lake, Civil Alliance. So let's head to that yellow marker. Oh, there's a sign here. I should note that previous episodes you can read signs. Yeah, so over here. Wait, is it over here? Oh, silent room right in front of my face. Oh, swimming does waste your stamina? That's amazing. Oh, I'm gonna drown. Do I have any food with stamina? This might be a bit risky. Okay, we have one. Okay, that's nice. And it also gives me an extra meter of stamina as well, which is really nice. So keep heading this way. Got it. Done. Oh, there's a bunch of shock arrows here. Couple over here. On this tree. Nice. We already have 14. I guess I collected shock arrows in Logia region before while revealing the memory. Collecting that shock arrow. Shadowpack point this way. Put silence that there was a Lynel over here. Okay, there's nothing over here. Oh gosh. Whoa, that's the Lynel. He looks really vicious and evil. Oh, he looks very angry. Luckily, he's in a place where he can't see me. Okay, don't you dare see me. Oh, I already have almost 200 arrows. That's nice. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, this is not what I expected to be. This is actually not what I expected to be. Best armor, of course. Oh, 2,000 HP. Excuse me. Shoot. Oh my god. He's coming. Oh gosh. This is a mistake. But luckily now I know how to play the game. It should be not that bad. Yeah, see? I already know how to backflip in this game. I'm learning how to play this game. I'm getting better at the controls. Ooh, we can mount him. So there we go. Let's see if we can take out a first Lynel in the game. I think this is episode 10. Oh gosh. Backflip it. I guess I can also block with my shield. Let's just get rid of this guy. He's a fool. He's a bully. Nobody needs him here. Shoot him with an arrow. Mount him. Okay, this is not so bad. Luckily, it's not a powerful Lynel, so that's good. At least I can fight these types of Lynel, so that's good. Oh gosh. Jesus! No! Darn it! Jesus. Dude, wasn't ready for that. My gosh. Fine. That was a mistake. Oh, I totally had that one. Come on. Come on, try one more time. Come on. Oh, okay, whatever. I was trying to get that perfect timing. Woo! Side dodged it. You're a bully. Get out of here. I have good dodging skills. That's good. You know what? Good done for. Just get out of here. You're such a jerk. What are you doing? Fire? Where did that come from? Luckily I got a critical eye shot. So that's nice. So now... Gosh. You're evil, dude. Shoot you in the eyeball then. Hold on, let's switch it to a one-handed weapon. So I can use my shield as well. He has such low health. I wonder if we can take this guy out. Oh gosh. Let's just get rid of this guy and use our Knight's Claymore to take care of this guy. Come on, we can do this. Under 200 health. Yes, I got that perfect dodge. And yeah, finish him off with something easy. Nice. We killed our first Lynel. Ooh, there's a bunch of... What can I take a photo of? Can't take a photo of monster parts. Lynel shield. Lynel sword. And Lynel bow. Lynel horn, okay, it's exceptionally hard. From Lynel blades cannot scratch it. Sow it into a stew to make some elixirs. Lynel hoof, obtained from a Lynel's foot. It's larger and heavier than a horse's foot. It can be useful to making elixirs, but have some other uses or beyond that. Shock arrows as well. Lynel sword. This Lynel-made sword was designed for smashing in line rather than slicing. It's on the heavy side compared to what Hylians are used to, but it's very strong. That's nice. Lynel shield. A sturdy shield favored by Lynel for its defensive and offensive capabilities. First and foremost a shield, but the bladed edges can deal slashing attacks when deflecting. Well, I'm going to definitely make room for that. Kind of use this one. Let's exchange. And what is this? Lynel bow, a Lynel-made bow crafted from rough with metal, true to the vicious nature of Lynel weaponry. It fires a spread of multiple arrows at once, ideal for taking down quick-moving targets. Nice. I kind of like the Phoenix bow. I mean, I like the bow. You know what? We're gonna get rid of the soldier's bow. Done with it. Get a Lynel bow instead. And we already have 25 shock arrows, so let's see what the quest says. Head to the east Reservoir Lake and meet with Sidon. Okay. Still see some more on this tree over here. Silent True. Oh, there's a shock arrow in that bush over there. Nice. Fox, get it. I'm not gonna let you run, Fox. If I miss that shot, that would be so stupid of me. Got it. Got a lizard as well with a shock arrow. Ooh, there's lots on this tree. Got it. What does this sign say? Jump at your own risk. Oh gosh. Okay, Sidon is there. Also gotta forget to wear Zora Armor. And oh, there's a chest here. Let's grab the chest. Anything here? Nothing. What's this? Knight's Shield, a shield favored by the knights who serve the Hyrulean royal family. Its sturdy metal construction makes it quite durable, but its weight requires decent skill to wield. Nice. Oh, I just got this Lynel shield. We're gonna drop this one. Since it's pretty unique, I have a soldier shield and a knight shield. And since I'm gonna equip the guardian shield, I can also have Shield of the Mind's Eye picture, and also get a picture of the brand new shield as well. It's pretty nice looking. My album's full. Okay, it still counts even if I delete it. Deselect all. Yeah, just delete all of it. So we got the Knight Shield. And I'm gonna need a good bow. This is okay for now. So let's speak to Sidon. Glad to see you ready to go, Link. Are you ready for this? Do you have your Zora Armor enough shock arrows? I'm ready. Wonderful. You never cease to amaze, Link. Now let's go and appease that divine beast at once. Here we go. Gaze now upon the divine beast's back. Do you see those glowing pink orbs? You will need to shoot each of them with a shock arrow. With your Zora Armor, you have the ability to ascend waterfalls. I shall take you right up to the side of the divine beast, and from there you can swim up and take aim. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Now hurry up and get on my back. Sure. Good answer. Let's get going. Okay, here we go. Ha! I'm unstoppable with the water. Sidon is good at swimming. Ruta is responding to our presents. I'll move away and wait for opening before we approach. I will keep going at full speed. It's up to you to ward off Ruta's attacks. Are you ready? Divine Beast Ruta will undoubtedly use its ancient and mysterious powers. That includes hurling giant ice blocks that will need to watch for. I shall need those to you. Divine Beast Ruta. Just destroy it. Oh, I can just destroy it like this. How simple is that? Shoot a shock arrow. Nice. Where's Sidon? Gosh. Thank you for saving me, Sidon. Destroy. I think I also have to memorize which one I shoot it. I think I already did this one. Let's try this one. Gosh, good. this side. Okay, good. Nice. Shoot that. I think one more time. Oh gosh, no. What? Oh gosh. My goodness. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. My goodness. It's coming from behind me. Oh gosh. Gotta like rotate the Joy-Con. Oh, I didn't even see this one behind me. Oh gosh. Not this one. This one. Thank you for taking me to the right direction. I appreciate that. Let's go, we did it. Wow, that was astounding. An absolute thrill. I don't know. Link, look, the water spouting from Ruta has slowed down. Ruta is floating high enough. You want to venture inside it, right? I'll bring you closer. We're counting on you here. Do good work in there. That looks nice.
Well, Link, here we are. Looks like this is where the real work starts. Best of luck. Nice job cutting off the water flow from this divine beast. Show the enemy no fear. I'll see you back at Zora's domain. Farewell.
Okay, bye, Sidon. Well, this has been a long episode.
Finish the job.
Travel gate registered to now. Entering Divine Beast Ruta dungeon, which will be in next episode.
You're here.
Oh, that's Mipha,
I
right?
must say that I am so happy to see that this day has finally arrived. Now, Ruta can be freed of Ganon's control. You'll need a map to prevent you from getting lost. The guidance stone there contains the information that you will need.
Okay. Well, this is the next episode thing. For right now, one more thing before I would end the episode is to get one upgrade from the statue. And maybe next episode or the episodes after that, if we can get at least one more shrine done, then we can get another upgrade, which will be kind of nice. I also mentioned that like in the beginning of the episode of Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. First of all, can I hold on to this big strong knight's claymore. Can I upgrade the Zora Armor or no? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, just enhance this one. Yeah, nice. Yeah, you always tell me that. See you later. I also just got this Lynel sword, which will be helpful. Let's use these boomerangs instead. I got like a lot of these boomerangs I can use. I'm sure like they don't have too high durability, so we can use them. But anyways, before we end the episode, we're going to get one upgrade from the heart statue. Yeah, didn't mean to talk to you. You have, yeah. I'm gonna do heart again. Next time I'll do stamina. Because that guy just almost destroyed me, that Lynel, when I was like not careful. He almost took me out in one hit. So I need more health. And there we go. We did it. Go and bring peace to Hyrule. Yeah. So, unfortunately, this is the end of this episode, everyone. We're closing this episode in. So basically what we did today is like, we explored a little bit, a decent amount of Zora's domain, and did one shrine. It was tough, but it wasn't that bad, and also got some information from the king. We did the quest, did some of the quest. I got the Zora Armor so we can be able to do the quest. We ascended waterfalls while doing the divine beast. Also fighted our first Lynel in the game. So yeah, so this is all we did in this video of The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. So next video, we're probably going to explore the inside of Divine Beast Ruta dungeon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. So thanks for watching this episode. I'll see you in the next episode. Before you go, if you like this video, be sure to give it a like. And you can also subscribe down below. Also check out my other playlists and like them if you like them. And yeah, see you next time for the next episode of The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Have a good one. Bye bye.